Welcome back to the lab, folks. We're just here in the office, and I wanted to go over something that's extremely important. This might be difficult to do because I've got my tongue firmly in my cheek here, but I want to go over the importance of technical documentation. Like if you don't have the information you need to use something properly, it could be dangerous. It could be a disaster. You could hurt yourself. You could lose a fortune or destroying a very expensive component. But this here is documentation about these modules I got in a recent mailbag video from AliExpress. Now, these are potentially really good modules. In fact, I'm going to put one to the test, probably in a video tomorrow or the next day. But I was just looking up some information about them, and I found this document here. Now, these modules are pretty neat in that they will charge a lithium battery. They will boost the voltage of a lithium battery up to, it's up to 28 volts or something like that. And they will cut off at a certain voltage, and we're going to test that and see what that is. But they're a pretty handy little module with a USB-C connector on it. And if it works properly, it's going to be great. It's also got charge indicators here as well. But we needed to go over the documentation. So I found this document, and let's have a look at what it says here. So it says it's English. That's good. So now we have this line here. Electronic component module Oscar manual instructions for use. Well, they got the last three words right. Warning and safety information, that's good. It's always good to have warning and safety information. This product is not suitable for children under 3 years old. Oh, gosh. Okay. So for a 3-year-old, I can give them this module and a bunch of lithium batteries to play around with. Good to know. Here's another one here. Do not swallow small parts to prevent choking. Well, that's good advice, I think. I wouldn't want to swallow small parts. I love this one here. It doesn't begin with a warning, but it says, avoid contact with eyes. If accidental contact occurs, rinse immediately. Okay, so if I get a circuit board stuck in my eye, I should rinse it out. That's good to know. Here's another great one here. Verify voltages, compatibility, before installation. Perform wiring only with power disconnected. That's hard to do if you're going to attach a battery to it, I think, unless you could somehow use a completely dead battery. Secure firmly to prevent loose skinning. Well, that's good. Precautions. Avoid human. I can't pronounce that. Is that pronounceable? Kirkenkomankets. And this one's a really good one. I love this one. It's understandable. Do not disassemble arbitrarily. But you can disassemble for a reason. If you got a reason, I mean, but arbitrarily, just leave it alone. Okay, this is hilarious. This is not even Chinglish. I don't know what this is. Like, I don't know how they produce this. Keep away from high temperatures and strong magnetic fields. Okay, now we're getting down to the function overview. Stable current output, high precision control, excellent durability. Okay, now troubleshooting. I guess some of these things, like this refers to these two, and this should be troubleshooting down here. So no response. Check power supply and wiring. Okay. Overcutting and circ adequate ventilation and heat dissipation. Poor performance, replace or test the model. And we have after scale service section, 1 year warranty, return or change within 7 days. And then they put this here. I guess this is no babies under 3 or no kids under 3. This is just adorable. Yeah, like, so that's why I'm saying it's really good to have great documentation like this so that you can make the best out of the electronics that you buy. Thanks for coming out, folks. This was just a kind of a little quick joke thing here. I should be able to get that module up and tested it tomorrow or the next day, and we'll show you a video on that. We've got some weather-related conditions around here that need to be dealt with. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.